To kick off the 2025 model year, we're going to do one of our wildest and most fun special offers we've ever had. Now, through Memorial Day, May 26, 2025, if you purchase a 2025 Shelby F-150 Off-Road or a 2025 Super Snake F-150, you'll receive this free custom Reddick Brown Ford golf cart or take advantage of our Reddick Brown Ford private offer. While supplies last on this limited production truck, this is your chance to have something incredible to drive, whether you're at a car show, in the neighborhood, or on the campground, and you can ride in style in your new 2025 Shelby F-150 truck. The 2025 Shelby F-150 Off-Road and Super Snake F-150 trucks are arriving here daily at Reddick Brown Ford, 785 horsepower and a limited production serialized truck. The Shelby American, an iconic name based out of Las Vegas, Nevada, introduced these trucks on the off-road version in 2016, and the following year, 2017, we saw the Super Snake F-150. Now, the evolution of this truck has been incredible. We've seen advancements from Ford Motor Company in the F-150 chassis, along with Shelby increasing horsepower, design, aesthetics. These things are incredible. Now, if you want to go ahead and take a look at our inventory, you can do that 24/7, ReddickBrownFord.com. You can see a lot of pictures, all the inventory, so that way you can shop at home. And we do offer delivery service, so that way we can do all the transaction remotely and have the truck delivered to your home or office. Now, Reddick Brown Ford, no games or gimmicks. We're a President's Award winner here from Ford Motor Company, so we take pride in delivering a world-class experience, and we're proud to offer this great exclusive offer from our store. Now, the great thing about this product is you also get a full coverage warranty. You get a bumper-to-bumper warranty with an incredible warranty support team on these. Your vehicle can be serviced at your local Ford dealership, or if you need any assistance, we've got some great contacts for that. No apologies needed when you've got the most iconic name in our Ford aftermarket world. Now, what you're gonna get is some additional names. You got Fox Factory, some incredible suspension upgrades, BDS, Whipple, BORLA, Cat Skin. So you got all the iconic names on this truck. So we'll showcase real quick what the 2025 Shelby Off-Road and Super Snake F-150s look like. So we've got a carryover year from the 2024 to the 2025 model year. You're gonna see the same core design on the Shelby F-150 Off-Road and Super Snake F-150 trucks. Now, same dynamic front end signature Shelby look, so you're going to see that same look coming from a mile away. Beautiful signature stripes on here. So this is agate black, and you've got the gray stripes. We stay with the traditional colors most of the time, and if you want to do a special stripe color swap, we can do that. Just let us know. But this is agate black, gray stripes. You're gonna notice that dual intake functional ram air hood. It is painted to match, and you'll notice that this is a custom truck with all painted to match components. You're gonna see this honeycomb design here on the front hood, and your hood vents as well in that honeycomb design. Full replacement front grille that we saw in 24 carried over, honeycomb design, and your Shelby Snake emblem here. Full replacement front bumper, and your Shelby lettering up front. So you've got that same core dynamic design. We've got a slight redesign on our Ford F-150 chassis, so the headlight is slightly different from the 21 to 23 models. It's given it a little more muscular look. It's a clean design. Now, fender flares, all painted to match on all four corners, gonna give it that muscular off-road look. And you're gonna see this is where all the hardware components are there. Fox dual speed control shock system. They're dialed in for the highway, but you can make that adjustment whether it's a low speed or a high speed. Fox is going to give you some state-of-the-art upgrades here. BDS suspension, and you're going to see this awesome setup, this tire and wheel combo. It's a BFG 35-inch KO2 tire, wrapping this beautiful 22-inch high gloss wheel. Now, the off-road trucks are only going to have this one wheel design and color, so it is a black high gloss wheel design. Now, Running along the side of the truck, you're going to see your fender badge here with your off-road truck, Shelby lettering here on your rocker graphics, and then you've also got your power running boards. Amp Research power running boards makes it easy to get in and out of on this 3.5-inch lifted truck. Now these sit ground to the top of the roof. These are about 84 inches tall all the way to your top point. Now we've got our 36-gallon fuel tank that you're going to need in this truck. So these all come equipped with a 36-gallon fuel tank, Fox shocks in the rear, and you've got your hard shell tonneau cover with the stripes running all the way to the back of the tailgate, where we'll take a look at this design. Tonneau cover will open 45 degrees, and you'll release your tailgate button as well. You have your carpet lined bed where you can store all your valuables, protect all that luggage, equipment, you name it, you can do that. Very easy to use tailgate system. Pull handle here on your tonneau cover. Make sure you've got that locked in that position. Now, replacement rear bumper was new in 24, and you're gonna see a clean design of your exhaust tips. They're gonna fit flush on that rear bumper, and the new tuning on the BORLA exhaust system is absolutely incredible. We've seen some improvements over the year. This is a sound that sounds incredible. Let's take a look at the interior and see what upgrades we've got. Now our F-150 chassis, you know, we've got class best inside our cab, so we got a lot of room both in our front seat area and our rear passenger area, so a lot of room. 10-way adjustable seats with leather seat covers, so you've got the black and red piping Shelby design on your seat covers. Perforations in your headrest, that way you've got that Bang & Olufsen stereo system that has the speakers inside. So overall, interior, great redesign from Ford on our elongated front dash, digital cluster, and our front center screen, beautiful 12-inch center screen with everything there for you to engage in both your technology and security options. You've got your analog controls for your climate. You've got heated and cooled seats, so these are ventilated, and you've got a heated steering wheel as well. Now you'll notice you're gonna see the carbon fiber trim all throughout, gives it that luxury look on the inside of the trucks. And you're gonna see a lot of safety and security as well, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision warning, so a lot of safety and security that's integrated into the core chassis and then utilized through tuning. You've got your wireless charging port and a USB and a USB-C port, so that way you can use those. And you've also got a 12-volt and a 120 here if you need to plug your computer in, if you're on the road, etc. Now, one of the things that I'll tell you, if you're on the road and you're doing some work, our center shifter does collapse. And this has our utility workspace here for our center console. It collapses down, that way you can do some work right there. And you can close that back. 4 different cup holders, 2 in the front, 2 back here in the rear. Now, one thing you'll notice on our F-150 chassis, Ford has redirected the auto start stop. It's going to be right here on your left knee. It's no longer up top above your center screen. Now, these all have twin panel moonroof and power rear sliding glass, and your rear seats are also covered, and those are heated as well. So this Shelby F-150 is going to give you style, it's going to give you comfort, it's going to give you luxury, it's limited production, it's an iconic name, but most of all, it's going to give you power. Let's take a look under the hood, what's under this new 785 horsepower 2025 Shelby F-150 off-road truck. Now, this is Ford's 5-liter V8 Coyote engine. That's what we're going to start off with, the donor chassis. This is Whipple's 3-liter supercharger powder coated in Ford Racing Blue. You'll notice you've got your carbon fiber, oversized intake tube, and they've upgraded spark plugs, fuel injectors, throttle body. This thing's going to get you 785 horsepower, and it's going to give you peace of mind because you're going to have a full warranty coverage on the truck. Now, what they've done to make this easy for you to maintain at your local store, or if you service through us, everything is labeled here, from engine oil, spark plug gaps, warranty and customer service information, as well as your Shelby owner's manual as well. So it makes it, owning a Shelby Easy, no apologies needed. Now, this is one of those dynamic trucks on the market, and it's one of those chances for you to get a new 2025 Shelby F-150 truck and receive a free custom golf cart or our Reddick Brown Ford private offer. All right, so remember, if you want to check out our inventory 24/7, go to reddickbrownford.com, where you'll see all of our inventory. Prices are listed and a lot of pictures for you to see both interior and exterior of your Shelby F-150 vehicles. Now, we've got a wide range of colors for you to choose from in the 2025 model year, and we've got a handful of 2024 model year closeout trucks that you can reach out directly to me. You can call or text 615-397-3331. Be sure to check us out on our social media channels at Reddick Brown Ford. That's where you're going to see all the latest and daily updates to new inventory arriving and showcasing some of our great special offers. We appreciate you for watching. Look forward to hearing from you.